All right, today we are going to go over the way that I expect you to organize your informational essay. So, in order for you to remember it on the state assessment, we have a silly acronym to remember. So, in the first paragraph, if you can remember ABC, which makes sense, you begin the alphabet that way and you begin your essay that way. So, your first paragraph, think ABC. You need an attention getter, give a little bit of background on the topic, and then state your claim or your thesis. Okay. Now, in the body, just like a cheeseburger, we have the meat. So you're going to repeat that acronym MEAT for the second, third, and fourth paragraphs. Remember, you're supposed to have 3 reasons to support your thesis. So for the second, third, and fourth paragraphs, use MEAT. You state your main point. You give evidence from the article or the story. Analysis, which is your thoughts. So you've got to give a little bit of elaboration. You can't just say, this is why, and moving on. You have to explain it. So that's your analysis. And then you give a transition sentence. So use a transition word to transition into your next point. And you can use literally first, next, and lastly as your transitions, or in addition to, something like that. Your last paragraph is your XYZ. Ends the alphabet, ends your essay. X is re-explain the thesis, and I know that's a stretch there, but it works. Re-explain your thesis, and all you want to do is take that thesis statement from up in the first paragraph and word it differently. Just rearrange it a little bit. The why, people should care. And then your Z, give them one is a zing. So zing them with one last thought. Give them another reason. Not another reason. I shouldn't say another reason. Another point that reiterates your thesis. All right. So this is, if you remember it and you write it on your scratch paper on the state test, will be very helpful for you to do your essay. You'd write ABC, meet, XYZ on your paper. And I want you to do that on your organizer as well. I've given you a very generic organizer, and you can use ABC, meet, XYZ in that organizer. All right.